So this is me at the DHL office trying to package the Oja. So at this point I was given to the attendant, and then you will look forward to see the Oja received by my client in Netherlands. Stay tuned and watch.
So I got my package. I just opened it. I have 2 Oja from Oja Mo. He sent it by DHL, so it arrived like within a week. It's very heavily packaged. This thing will withstand the apocalypse if needed to. I had 2 Ojas. They were delivered to me from Nigeria to the Netherlands. And I had some gifts as well for me and for my children. I will have one on. I had an opwago, a traditional Igbo hat, on top of that, and me and my children will be very happy with the gifts. And I hope I will be able to learn how to play it very well. So thank you very much for everything.